This is a system where I'm going to use elimination. I would recommend elimination most of the time. However, with this one, I'm going to have to do quite a bit of manipulation before I can actually start eliminating. So as of now, I've got 2 and 5x, but 2 doesn't go into 5, 5 doesn't go into 2. And then I also have -3 and +4y, and it's the same situation there. 3 doesn't go into 4, 4 doesn't go into 3. When this happens, you are going to have to change both equations. So you can choose to eliminate x's or y's. In this case, I'm going to eliminate the y's. The reason I'm doing that is because they already have opposite signs, and in order for them to eliminate, they need to have opposite signs. So if I want to change 3 and 4, what I'm going to do is multiply my top equation by 4 and my bottom equation by 3. The reason for this is because when I multiply the entire top equation by 4, I will end up with -12y. If I do the same thing with the bottom equation with 3, I end up with +12y. And once I go into the actual elimination step, I will be able to cancel out my y's. So when you multiply, make sure that you are multiplying every single term in the equation. Don't forget one of them. So I multiplied every single number in that top equation by 4 and every single number in that bottom equation by 3, resulting in -12y plus 12y, which is going to go away. Adding everything else, 8 and 15 gives me 23. -44 and 90 gives me +46. Now to get x by itself, you would divide by 23. And we're done with half of this. We now have x equals 2. In order to find y, you would plug x equals 2 back into any of the original equations before you did any eliminating. So I'm going to use 2x minus 3y equals -11, just because those are smaller numbers. Just use whichever equation is easiest for you. So again, I'm taking that x equals 2 and I'm plugging it into that top equation. Knowing that x is 2, I can replace the x with 2, and then I can solve for y. So we do 2 times 2, and then I'm going to subtract that 4. That would give me -3y equals -15. Dividing by -3 gives me a y value of +5. And again, this could also be written as an ordered pair, where your answer would be 2, 5, or you can leave them separate as x equals 2 and y equals 5.